He was walking properly. هغه په سمه توګه تلو. He was walking properly. Be humble. خاکسار جوړ شه. Be humble. خاکسار یعنی عجز. یا تاسو داسې مویلی شئ عجز جوړ شه. Write in short. مختصر ولیکه. Write in short. Don't doubt on me. په ما شک مکوه. Don't doubt on me. Behave yourself. په تمیز شه. Behave yourself. Remember me. ما یاد ساته. Remember me. This is very bad. دا ډیر بد دی. This is very bad. Come ahead. مخکې راځه. Come ahead. Give it back. دا واپس کړه. Give it back. Knock the door. دروازه وټکوه. Knock the door. Take care of it. د دې خیال ساته. Take care of it. Be serious. جدي جوړ شه. Be serious. جدي یعنی سنجیده. یا تاسو داسې مویلی شئ سنجیده جوړ شه. Leave her alone. هغه یوازې پرېږده. Leave her alone. Leave him alone. هغه یوازې پرېږده. Leave him alone. Bring anything. څه هم راوړه. Bring anything. Raise your hand. لاس دې بره کړه. Raise your hand. Raise your hands. لاسونه دې بره کړه. Raise your hands. Have some hope. لږ امید ساته. Have some hope. Don't walk barefooted. خپې ابله خپې مه ګرځه. Don't walk barefooted. Cut your nails. نوکونه دې پرې کړه. Cut your nails. I didn't see anyone. ما هیڅوک ونه لیدو. I didn't see anyone. He didn't give the answer. هغه ځواب ورنکړو. He didn't give the answer. I don't know him. زه هغه نه پیژنم. I don't know him. I know him. زه هغه پیژنم. I know him. Do anything. څه هم وکړه. Do anything. He is not reliable. هغه د باور لایق نه دی. He is not reliable. باور یعنی اعتبار. یا تاسو داسې مویلی شئ هغه د اعتبار لایق نه دی. Don't blame me. په ما تور مه لګوه. Don't blame me. تور یعنی الزام. Find me. ما وګوره. Find me. This is wrong. دا غلط دی. This is wrong. Just a second. صرف یو لحظه. Just a second. He is lazy. هغه ناراست دی. He is lazy. Remove this. دا لرې کړه. Remove this. Erase it. دا پاک کړه. Erase it. Stop preaching. وغس کول بند کړه. Stop preaching. It's morning. سحر شو. It's morning. Don't trust him. په هغه باور مکوا. Don't trust him. باور یعنی اعتبار. Don't trust her. په هغې باور مکوا. Don't trust her. I want something. زه څه غواړم. I want something. I don't want anything. زه هیڅ نه غواړم. I don't want anything. Remain seated. ناست اوسه. Remain seated. Read it again. دا بیا ولوله. Read it again. Read again. بیا ولوله. Read again. Keep standing. ولاړ اوسه. Keep standing. Don't go alone. یوازې مزه. Don't go alone. Don't be late. ناوخته کوه ما. Don't be late. This is possible. دا ممکن دی. This is possible. This is impossible. دا ناممکن دی. This is impossible. What's happening? څه روان دي. What's happening? Get me there. ما هلته ورسوه. Get me there. Don't lie. دروغ مه وایه. Don't lie. When did I say? ما کله ویلي. When did I say? Don't touch me. ما لګوتې مه راوړه. Don't touch me. Call me. ما ته فون وکړه. Call me. You are hiding something. ته څه پټوې. You are hiding something. Forgive me. ما معاف کړه. Forgive me. Say something. څه هم ووایه. Say something. Nothing. هیڅ هم نه. Nothing. Touch wood. چرته د نظر نشي. Touch wood. What's me? زما څه. What's me? Leave this. دا پرېږده. Leave this. Can I sit over there? آیا زه دغلته کېناستی شم. Can I sit over there? Dream comes true. خوبونه رښتیا کیږي. Dream comes true. Don't mumble. بړنګ بړنګ مه کوه. Don't mumble. Hurry up. تادي کوه. Hurry up. Do some work. څه کار وکړه. Do some work. Do always anything. تل څه وکړه. Do always anything. Focus on your study. خپلې مطالعې ته پام وکړه. Focus on your study. What's your address? ستا پته څه ده. What's your address? Let me go out. ما بهر تللو ته پرېږده. Let me go out. Let me go there. ما هلته تللو ته پرېږده. Let me go there. Lie down. سمله. Lie down. Be seated. کېنه. Be seated. Don't follow him. هغه پسې مه ځه. don't follow him. or یا don't follow him هغه مه تعقیب کوه. don't follow him. don't follow her هغه مه تعقیب کوه. don't follow her. or یا don't follow her هغې پسې مزه. don't follow her. give me little مال لږ راکړه. give me little. take it yourself پخپله یې واخله. take it yourself. take it دا واخله. take it. not this one دا یو نه. not this one. that's one دغه یو. that's one. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره د چینل PE everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبریږئ. thanks for watching.